Good day, I'm Rush and I'm here at Barangay Mabini here in Lipa City, and I'm going to show you one of our prize projects. This is Periveo Lipa. So come. So Periveo Lipa is a 42-hectare project. So ang kagandahan po nun, 50% of the project is allocated for residential. So if you'll imagine, magiging maluwag, maaliwalas po yung community natin here. 50% naman po is allocated for open spaces, commercial centers, roads, and the amenities which you will see here at the back. This is the 1-hectare central amenity area, which what we call the Club at Periveo. So let me show you around. So right off the bat, makikita po natin, ito po yung entryway natin to the covered clubhouse. So the central amenity area is accessible by all of our residents here. So paikot po siya, so meaning lahat po ng mga communities natin here is malapit lang po sa ating amenity area. Then ito po yung magiging covered lobby po natin, as you can see. So ang amenities po natin is resort style. So talagang mag-enjoy po yung mga residents natin here. And if you are planning to have your unit rented out, they will really enjoy this place because nga hindi nyo na kailangang lumabas, pumunta ng mga resorts kasi we already have the amenities here that can accommodate your resort style lifestyle. So kung makikita nyo rin po, marami po tayong mga trees here. So isa yan sa mga gustong ma-achieve ng project natin, which is more on greeneries, more on nature. So makakadagdag po siya sa aliwalas kumbaga at saka yung malamig na weather here in our project. So here, makikita po natin nandyan po yung ating gym, nandyan po yung ating children's playground, game room. Then here naman, nandyan naman po yung ating function hall. So you can use that for any event that you want. May it be birthdays, christenings, kahit anong party po ninyo na gusto, hindi nyo na kailangang mag-rent out ng outside party area kumbaga. You can use the one that is already existing here in the project. So, tara po. Come check it out. So this is our pool area. So mapapansin niyo po, very inviting po siya, very relaxing, very calming. And ikot mo yung mapapansin niyo, puro greeneries po tayo talaga dito. So nature inspired po talaga siya. So if I would compare it with something, I would compare this to Tagaytay Highlands. So yun, para kang nasa Tagaytay, you have the climate na parang Tagaytay since Lipa is the third coolest city in the country. So malamig din po here. Pero yung prices po namin here is not like Tagaytay. Medyo mas accessible po siya. Yan po. Come. So we have a covered dining area here. Meron din tayong open space for dining here. So our pool consists of a lap pool and a children's pool. Then may wash area po tayo there. Then meron tayong area here where you can chill around after you take a bath here at the pool. So meron din tayong pathways here. Pwede kayong mag-jog here in the morning. Then meron din po tayong putting green. Putting green, yun po yung kung mahilig kayong mag-golf. So you can practice your golfing skills here, kumbaga. Then we have parking spaces on both sides of the amenity area. Then, banda roon, nandoon naman po yung ating basketball court. If mahilig po kayong mag-basketball, you can use this together with your co-residents here. Yan po. So kung mapapansin po ninyo, we're still at the amenity area, but one of our communities is already there. That is High Grove at Periveo. So malapit na malapit lang po tayo sa amenity area. So after this, we will show you our 3 model units at the High Grove.